Class 5 English, Unit 6, Section 2, Little Servants. Servant means those who work for other. Okay, servants now. Oh, what an untidy room. Untidy means not clean. Skip about, little ones, said in order. Okay, skip about and set everything in order, said Mama. Mama means mother. We don't like tidy room. They said we don't like clean room, said Elsa. This is Elsa, Bessie and Ruth. Together, Elsa, Bessie and Ruth together, who were never busy. Who were always busy singing, dancing and shaking. They were always busy singing, dancing and shaking the whole day. I think it must be so nice to keep plenty of servants, they said. It should be nice to keep plenty of servants to do our work, said Ruth. Yes, indeed, said Bessie, just like Mrs. Lowe. Elsie brought a twist to her lips and looked up as doleful as a little girl. Do you think you would be happier with nothing to do? His mother is asking, said Mama. If you have nothing to do, you will be happier. It will be happy for you. You will be happy with that, doing nothing and whole day sitting. Yes, I am sure, said Elsie. Elsie said, yes, sure, we'll be happy if you don't have to do anything. And I, said Ruth. But, said Bessie thoughtfully, I don't know. Mrs. Marshall never looks half so nice. Mr. Marshall never looks half so nice and pleasant as Mama. They don't never look happy and pleasant as Mama looks. As she says her servant's brother, as she says her servant's brother, bother her all the time. Because they have many servants, but the servants bother her all the time. He's always thinking about servants. Do you think they would bother you, Mama, if you keep them? Do you think that they will bother you if you keep them? You will think about them always, that if you keep them? I don't know, dear. Mother said, I don't know. I never tried keeping more than one. I never tried keeping more than one servant at home. Except these little bits of ones here. Pinching Elsie's cheeks and giving Ruth head a pat. And as they are not always very willing little servants, perhaps they bother me. Okay, as they are not always willing to do anything, perhaps they don't bother me at all. Okay, now they are small. Now see, it is a shame, said Bessie, running to kiss her mother. I do love to do things for you. I want to do things for you, Mama. Hurry, girls. Let's see how quick you can be. Hurry up, girls. Let's see how quickly you can do everything in order. And the little maid, the servant, flew about until the room was in good order. Came in good order. I was reading the other day about Mr. and Mrs. Marshall, who had so many servants, all for just themselves. Many servants for Mr. and Mrs. Marshall. They had many servants for themselves, said Mama. Tell us about them, please, Mama. They are asking, tell us something about them, please, Mama. How old were they? How many did they have? You can count up as I go on. There were three bright-looking ones, always dressed in blue. These are the three servants always dressed in blue. They were other two whose duty was to keep on the watch for what ought to be done. The two were always thinking what has to be done. Always watch what has to be done now. Didn't they ever do anything for themselves? No, not much, but that it seems to keep them busy. If they attended to their duties, but sometimes they were negligent, and then of course the work of all the other servants was thrown into confusion. Okay, when they were neglected, they were confusion, and the work was thrown into confusion. Okay, see, it seems to keep them busy if we attended their duties. Always they used to keep themselves busy by doing duties, but sometimes they were sometimes they used to neglect, and then of course the work of all the other servants was thrown in confusion. Then there was a confusion, who will do what. Okay, for today this much. Next I'll teach you. Thank you.